Afro Caribbean, a person of African descent born or living in a Caribbean nation. Afro Caribbean refers to people from Caribbean islands with African ancestry, whose presence in the region dates back to the Atlantic slave trade from the 16th century. This has led to rich cultural heritages on islands like Jamaica, Haiti, and Cuba, where African traditions merged with European influences to create unique musical genres, religious practices, and social customs, and where descendants are now influential in their communities and beyond. Who are Afro-Caribbeans? Ancestry. Afro-Caribbeans trace their full or partial ancestry to the African continent. Historical roots. Most are descendants of enslaved Africans brought to the Caribbean between the 16th and 19th centuries to work on plantations, primarily sugar plantations. Cultural significance. Cultural synthesis. Afro-Caribbean cultures are the result of a blend of African folkways and customs with European colonial influences, creating unique Creole cultures that vary by island. Music and arts. The music of the Afro-Caribbean region, influenced by African rhythms and European harmonies, includes genres like reggae, calypso, salsa, and merengue. Language and customs. The cultural identity is expressed through various elements, including languages, religions, and specific island traditions. Geographical distribution. Caribbean islands. Major countries with significant Afro-Caribbean populations include Haiti, Jamaica, Cuba, and Trinidad and Tobago. Diaspora communities. There are also large Afro-Caribbean communities in the UK and other parts of the world, particularly in cities with a history of migration from the Caribbean. Notable figures. Afro-Caribbean communities have produced influential individuals who have significantly impacted societies worldwide, such as political activists Marcus Garvey and C.L.R. James, and writers like Aimé Césaire, who developed the Negritude movement. Afro-Caribbeans are black people who ended up in the Caribbean from Africa as a result of slavery. They were enslaved to work for free in agriculture, mainly sugar plantations, but also as house servants between 1526 to 1867. Close to 11 million people were enslaved in the Americas by Portuguese, British, Spanish, French, Dutch, and Danish people mainly from East, West, Central, North and Southern Africa. Afro-Caribbean countries: Antigua and Barbuda, the Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Haiti, Jamaica, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Suriname, Trinidad and Tobago, Virgin Islands. It is from some of these countries where Marcus Garvey, Frantz Fanon and Bob Marley come from, but also those the younger generations know better: Usain Bolt, Nicki Minaj, DJ Perryville and Rihanna.